My name is Dr. Larry Cox. I'm a family physician here in Lewisberry, Pennsylvania, and I provide health care for the family from birth up to the Lord takes them home. Our practice here at Red Cedar has been open since 1998. I was a physical therapist before I became a physician, and then I went to be a physician, and I've been doing that for about 27 years now. I think with Vox, since we know there's a lot of academic, we know the anatomical, the neuroanatomy, what we're trying to fix, we know the patient's diagnosis, we know their problems, I can educate them and teach them what this is for and how it's going to help them potentially, and they listen and they respond to that. Vox Life products are standard care in our clinic now because how much they've proven to me how efficacious they are. And I tell my patients, especially the older ones, you have an increased risk of falling. It's proven. In fact, we do our medical wellness once a year. It's actually a government thing that we're supposed to do, and we talk about falls and safety around the house. And this has demonstrated unbelievable improvement in their overall stability, decreased risk of falls. That's standard. Our girls will say, let's put you through the test. And what I have found with Vox is that proof is in the pudding after you start to show it to everybody. And again, they show that 90,000, 100,000 people respond. And I found 9 out of 10. And I just tell them, you have a good chance of responding, you'll know just that quick. If I was a practitioner looking or contemplating bringing Vox into their practice like I did, I'm a businessman, I own a bunch of different businesses, not just a family doctor. So yeah, money and making money for my time and effort is important. I'm always going to say that making my patients healthier, safer is super important. You've got to be at the top of the list. Quality care has to be there. But I can tell you, Vox has made it that it's an amazing product that I haven't had a hard time convincing people to buy them. The support is amazing. My nurses run the practice for me as far as the Vox. I bring them in, they talk to the patients, they help shape them down or cut them down, go over what we have other than what I've already gone over. They do the ordering for me, and the support at Vox has made that super easy. The responses to wearing the Vox has been amazing. I've had people with other neurologic issues. I have a young man that got Lyme's disease, and he ended up with Lyme's cardiomyopathy, and his heart gave out, and he became anoxic. He has a brain injury. He was a University of Pittsburgh student, a great wrestler here at Redland. He was in the hospital for a long period of time. He still has seizures, he still has tremors, and he started wearing Vox recently, and he's amazing. He's jogging now. He feels safer. He feels more confident, and it's been a big difference for him without giving a bunch of pills. And our goal is to try to limit the medications, and that's been the key. You know, I have a lot of patients taking everything from the neuropathy, the gabapentins, to everything else, and I've been able to tell them this is medication-free, and that's our goal here, is to limit the amount of medications that we use and do it as natural as we can while we continue to incorporate into everything we do here. And I also incorporate to my health and wellness with our gym over there. Being a team physician, I go and I demonstrate it to the football team, to the baseball team. As far as the athletes, I push it because we're trying to be as successful as we can, and I tell the coaches and I tell the moms and dads, and I'm the community family doctor. We want to win. Our baseball team right now is #1 in the state in their area right now, and boom, we're wearing our Vox, and so we're going pretty good from there.